sorry I'm late.
Oh, hello.
Hey. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, excuse me.
How are you? Oh,
I'm so sorry.
that is alright. Waiter! Oh, he got it. Here you go, waiter.
So, what do you like to do for a living?
Oh.
I mean,
Are you okay?
I don't know exactly, because usually that doesn't happen.
Okay. Wow, you look the most beautiful as always.
I'm sorry. Just,
You look ravishing, honey.
I'm so sorry, you know? I eat this stuff and then I get pooped out.
I understand you.
No, you don't. You don't know what
You know what? I don't understand you. These people don't know what they're talking about. You think that that medicine helps you. You don't understand. You don't understand. Leave me alone.
Wait. Come back. Come back.
Oh.
That's what you got. You don't make fun of me. Oh, maybe I have problems, but you know what? No. But you know what? I can't help it, because you know what? You're not allowed to poop in public. But you know what? Next time, I'm gonna get you back to Paris, freak.